Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a auxiliary port change out on a Honda. It's like a 2010, I believe this is. I'll have the part number to the piece that we're going to change out listed below, but here we go. It should be pretty quick. Here's the auxiliary port right here. I'm just going to pop this out. Maybe pull this out. Okay, that cover pops off. Wasn't as easy as I thought. I'm going to take a pair of needle nose. I'm going to grab a hold of this thing, pull it out. There it is. I have the new one. Let's see that part number. That's what I'm using. The other one comes together, but I'm going to open that up and pull it out of there just like I did that one. It's got some clips on the side. I'm just going to undo those clips right there. There's one on the bottom, two on the top. Okay, here it goes. Pull it apart, cut the clips off, and again it looks the same. So I'm going to pull that out with the needle nose, same way I got that one in there. Should pull right out. Okay, that's the new one. This should push in the same way. Okay, it's a little tricky getting this thing back in, but there is some guides down there. It's just hard to get it lined up. Especially with the new one. Alright, it's lined up, little guide at the bottom, and then it just pushes in. Just like that. All the way in. Find the cover. Cover. Snap the cover in there. And that's that. Well, hopefully that helps somebody. Thanks for watching.